Want to do a little time travel and show you something that was very popular way back when I first started YouTube. I'm going to show you today just how easy it is to make a throat plate insert. So we can avoid them rough tear outs right there. I've already taken the screws out of this because we're going to use this as a template. I've already cut this to the proper length, actually with just a skill saw. So it's already 19 3/8 inches long. So now we're going to just rip it down to the 2 15/16. We're going to take the pieces we took out that came with the saw on the throat plate, and we're going to trace those. That's the easiest way to do it, is trace those on the piece we just cut on the table saw. So what we want to do is you can turn it over on this back side, line the ends up, and you want to line the edges up flat, and you want to just trace that. But that's pretty good right there. It's a little bit more than a 1/4 inch, so I might put a little washer under it or something just to hold it or help it get up, but that fits pretty good, man, right there. So let's get the screws. I'm gonna show you how to mark them. So what you wanna do is lay your piece out, and you're gonna just mark the screw holes. We're gonna make a slice cut in here, and that's gonna be our new throat plate insert. Look at that. See how thin that is? Look at that. You don't see no tear outs, even if they are, they're very small. But look at there, baby. It's smooth as butter. So make sure you give it a like, and that thumbs up give me a thumbs up there, because it really helps me out, guys. Trying to grow this channel, it really helps me out. And hit that subscribe button, and Jesus loves you guys.